guys, what's up? So today we're going to be creating this look I have on my face today using only Urban Decay Cosmetics, featuring the new Mini Naked Foxy Urban Decay palette. This palette is velvety, blendable, and up to 12-hour wear. I love how little it is because it's perfect for travel. You want to pop it in your purse for touch-ups throughout the night. Put it in your back pocket if you're at a concert or out to dinner and you don't want to carry a purse. It's just a perfect little travel size palette. There are two more of these Mini Naked Urban Decay palettes, Sin and Half Baked. They have a vegan formula, they're blendable and velvety and up to 12-hour wear. And if you guys didn't know, Urban Decay partners with the Cyber Smile Foundation, which is one of the world's leading anti-cyberbullying nonprofit organizations. And if you'd like to know more about that, head over to urbandecay.com. And if you'd like to see how I got this look using only Urban Decay products, just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so the first product that I'm gonna take is the Urban Decay Prince collaboration. This is the Liquid Face and Décolletage Illuminator. I'm just going to apply this all over the face and kind of blend it in because I want my face to kind of be glowing from within. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator, and I'm just gonna apply this all over the face and blend that in. All right, so I loosely set my face using a loose setting powder, and now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Prince collaboration. This is the all-nighter waterproof setting powder. I don't like using this as a setting powder because it does oxidize once it hits that wet foundation. It turns way super dark and it just does not look good underneath the eyes. But as kind of like a finishing powder or a blurring powder, this stuff is awesome. So I'm just going to go in very lightly with this over top of that setting powder that I already put down. All right, so now for a little bit of blush, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Wired palette. There are some shades in this palette that they recommend for only the face and body, but you know, I use them on my eye as well. Probably shouldn't, but I do anyway. But there are some really pretty kind of blush shades in this palette. So I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this orange and maybe a little bit of the pink, mix the two together and do a light blush application. So now I'm gonna take this Moon Dust liquid, glitter liquid. It's kind of like a, I would say that this is like an all over body like highlighter. It is very, very silver though. So I'm only going to do the tiniest bit. I'm just going to squirt a little bit on the back of my hand here. Actually a crap ton came out, but I'm just gonna kind of blend this out with my finger on my hand and then just very lightly apply that to the high points of my face. I only want to do the tiniest bit of this, and the reason why I'm shearing it out so much is because it can kind of put a gray cast onto the face because it is a gray silver base. So I'm shearing it out quite a bit on my hand and just very, very lightly applying it. All right, so now I'm gonna set my face using the All-Nighter Vitamin C Cactus Flower Water Spray. I absolutely love this stuff. It makes your makeup last all day. So now for the star of the show, we're using the new Naked Urban Decay Mini palette. This is the Foxy palette. And here's what it looks like. And then you open it up. And she looks a little something like this. Super cute. So what I'm gonna do first is apply a little Urban Decay Primer Potion to my eyes. And the first shade out of this palette I'm gonna be using is this one right here called Sly. I'm just gonna apply that to my crease and blend it upwards just a little bit. also gonna take it outwards just a hair. All right, now we're gonna go in with Foxy, which is this cream shade right here. And I'm just gonna apply that to my brow bone area. All right, now we're gonna take the darkest shade in the palette called Funky Town, which is a matte brown, and I'm just gonna deepen up this outer corner area as well as deepen up the crease just a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna take the shade Disco, which is right here, and I'm just gonna apply this next to the brown, and then we're gonna go in with Hot Stuff. Okay, so since that gold has kind of a green sheen to it, I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Freak, just to kind of bring out that green even further. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Moon Dust palette, and just to play off that green a little bit more, I'm gonna take the shade Light Year, which is this really pretty green up here, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that to the lower lash line area right in here. I went ahead and brought that gold on around to the lower lash line as well. Now I'm gonna take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade 0, which is just black. I'm gonna tight line my eye as well as maybe put a little bit on the upper lash line area. All right, now we're going in with Urban Decay's Perversion Mascara. I'm just gonna give my lashes a quick coat. All right, so now I'm gonna jump back up to the brows for a moment. We're gonna go in with the Inked Brows by Urban Decay. I have the shades Cafe Kitty and Taupe. I'm gonna try to apply both of these to my brows and see how it goes. I also might use the darkest brown from that Naked Foxy palette. All right, so I just applied one of my favorite lip liners, and now we're gonna go in with the Urban Decay Coconut Water Lip Gloss, and this is super hydrating. I love this stuff. I really, really love the applicator. It like fits perfectly to the lip. And this is the final look using all Urban Decay products and featuring the new Naked Urban Decay Mini Foxy palette. I just want to say a big thank you for Urban Decay for sending me this Mini Foxy palette to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.